This is part 2 of a line of reasoning regarding our being here by design. Part 1 started with, what evidence supports our being here by design? Part 1 looked at the improbability of enzymes leading to evidence for design. For Part 2, starting with a science perspective relates to vital and specific information, makes a balance in multiple physiological, metabolic systems composed of enzymes, organs, and coordination of our body's complex structure supporting life. And an imbalance of this leads to death. The genetic information inside of us has been scientifically demonstrated more and more to have purpose. It appears as there is little to no junk DNA in us. So, not only are proteins highly specified, but the genetic information required to make a protein is just as complex. Okay, so does life just originate by itself? Many scientists now realize life cannot be created in a test tube. Chemicals required for life need a living cell to be produced. The complexity of the cell chemistry includes examples of what is called causal circularity. This means all the cell chemical components must be present all at the same time and cannot be derived randomly on a partial basis in order to initiate life. The circularity is when a chemical being produced needs the same chemical in the production process. Think about that. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Origin of life. What about the origin of information making life? There are numerous complexities, specificities, and other facets to understanding design requires a mind as the source of our being. Scripture simply indicates the word from God as the source. Words are information, and information comes from a mind. Again, in Scripture the first Hebrew word is bereshit, meaning beginning. And the initial biblical text describes events that make for the universe, earth, and life. What science does in recent time is to uncover multiple factors, evidence, and perspectives that reflect on the universe, earth, and life are indeed by design. Science and Scripture together provide a remarkable awareness of our origin. This concludes Part 2, and is followed by Part 3 that adds more detailed information to this line of reasoning.